I'm back. And nag-edit ako ngayon and nakalimutan ko na nag-proceed na lang ako na mag-intro bigla. But yes, I'm finally back. Bigla na lang ako nag-intro or something like that nang wala man lang update. So it's been, I think, 2 years. Grabe, ang bilis ang panahon nung last na vlog ko. And ewan ko, life happened. Maraming nangyari, maraming like more on personal and self happenings. Basta sa sarili, mga pangyayari sa sarili, especially about my mental health and work. Of course, sa work din. I think last vlog ko is yung about my work, the work from home one, and that didn't work for me. Hindi siya nag-work sa akin. So, lumipat ako kasi, I don't know, I just feel like hindi para sa akin yung work na yun. Parang nakakulong lang ako sa kwarto maghapon and I don't like that kind of work. So, right now, nag-work ulit ako sa, like, something active kung saan lagi gumagalaw ako, lumalabas ako. So, yeah, that's just been my update for the past few years. This is just a little vlog and I hope you like it because I miss you guys so much. Yeah. Yun lang. Yun lang naman yung update sa buhay ko. Wala naman masyadong pangyayari sa buhay ko. Actually, last year was so meaningful kasi pumunta dito yung mga pinsan ko. They visited here. It was so fun. I should have vlogged, like I should have recorded last year. Maraming ganap last year. And I should have vlogged that, but I don't want to miss it. I have some videos, I have some memories. Gusto ko lang talaga i-enjoy yung moment na yun. Kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko last year. So, hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog. And hindi talaga ako nag-vlog, I mean. Pero I had fun last year. And this year, yun nga, parang naisipan ko ulit mag-vlog. And I'm so happy na parang nagaganahan ulit ako. And I hope I'll be consistent this time. Kasi I've never been consistent. So, I'll proceed to the vlog. Ayoko lang ng mahabang introduction. I just updated you guys. So, let's go! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm back! Today, it's my off. So, wala lang. Gagala lang tayo. And nothing special. Lately, I've been rewatching my old vlogs. It was kind of reminiscing. It was kind of nostalgic. So, parang gusto ko ulit. This is cute, but it doesn't fit me. So, yeah. Gusto ko lang ulit bumalik sa pag-vlog. And I hope I'll be consistent this time because I have never been consistent. But, yeah. We're back. We're back. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. This is simple. And then, this pants that I love. And then, I'm gonna use cardigan. I mean, still winter. But right now, it's gloomy. But it's kind of good today. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this. Yeah. I love this bag. This is a thrifted bag. Nif ko to a few months ago and I'm really loving it. Look. So cute. And then I just bought this trunks. I forgot the name of the store, but it's cute. But we're gonna go somewhere today, and I'm so excited. It's a simple vlog kasi gusto ko lang mag-vlog ulit, and yeah, that's it. Ran. Ay, po, naghang. Anak siya ni BR. Ako siya ni Juicy. Guys, we're here. Dito tayo ngayon sa Toronto Premium Outlet, guys. Nag-change outfit pala ako kasi malamig.
Sa architects dyan.
Ha?
Ano ba architects?
Architect?
Architect.
Ah!
Boss.
Arterix! Bo! Anong live? Anong live? Live? Ito yung mga Arterix. Mag-opening pa lang. Guys, mukha naman yun. Hey guys, wala masyadong tao so it's good. Pero ang dami nasa parking. Nasaan yung mga taong yun? Guys, ito tayo ngayon. Ano tayo sa Polo Ralph Lauren. Titingin kami dito guys. Ang cute! Ang mahal, gagi. Ang mahal. 188. Oh, shit. What is wow? Saka na lang. Saka na lang guys. Ang ganda. Pero ang mahal. Oh, it's just a... Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. 20% pa, babe. Guys, ang ganda ba? Ang ganda nito, eh.
Kape ka ba?
Ang cute.
Bagay.
Guys, bagay ba?
Hey. Hey. Pero di ko naman ano bumili.
Kasi parang ang hirap nito.
No, we can take a video.
Yo, it's all okay. Go ahead.
My name is Will Smith. I'm here to serve you guys. If you need any help, give me a shot. I'll take care of you and serve.
For sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Sige na, bilhin ko na.
Bad boys.
Lahat naman po, no? I'm gonna get this.
Paul.
Cute, the girl. Kakain na tayo. Uy, walang tao sa food court. I'm gonna try it. Thank you. Chicken. Is it the sesame? Yeah. Boss. Bossing? Bossing? Bossing.